direction, what you see in the distance is the biggest Palestinian city in the West Bank. This is Ramallah.
On the hill?
Yep. This is the outskirts of Ramallah, the southern outskirts of Ramallah, the biggest Palestinian city in the West Bank, about 500,000 people. It is about 20 minutes drive away from where we are right now. Now, if you look at Ramallah, coming our way, you could see a massive urban area, lots and lots of buildings climbing all the way. Basically, there is a physical Palestinian corridor that connects Ramallah straight to the center of the city of Jerusalem. Okay? So, on the one hand, to the north, we have the city of Ramallah, the biggest Palestinian city, and then you see the outskirts of Ramallah, the southern outskirts, and the more we come our direction, we are entering to the city of Jerusalem, and basically everything that you see right beneath you, this big building with the red roof tops that you see right beneath us that goes all the way like that, these are Palestinian neighborhoods that are located inside Jerusalem. So basically what we have a continuity of a Palestinian corridor that connects Ramallah all the way down to the center of Jerusalem. If you look to the other direction, which is to the south, you could see far away in the distance mountains. Can you see them? This is already the area of Beit Lehem, the second largest Palestinian city in the West Bank. About 400,000 people, a little bit less. Basically, Jerusalem is in between the two major Palestinian cities in the West Bank. Ramallah from the north, Beit Lehem from the south. Show you from here, you could see very clearly the Dead Sea. Can you see the blue spot? This is the Dead Sea over there. This is Israel's eastern border. And right beyond that, you could see the Jordanian mountains. Going a little bit to the left, you could see the northern part of the Judea desert. And beyond that, you could see the Jordan Valley. This is the eastern part of the state of Israel. This is Palestinian city, okay? We went down, 10 minutes drive from the north part of the city down to the south. And now we are looking on the second Palestinian largest city in the West Bank, the city of Beit Lehem. The famous city of Beit Lehem. Basically, what we see is a large area, of course Palestinian one. It has, if the way the fence is constructed as a fence like the one that you see right beneath you, okay? So at this point, let's move over there to the shade and we'll talk a little bit more about it.